Meow. Meow, you guys love your kitty. Fucking AA, she brings you all kinds of fresh, dead, killed meat. But dog wouldn't love that, right guys? Wow. Sniff my flowers? Actually, I got a whole collection of these semi-desert flowers. I'll see if I can upload them in a slideshow or something. Eventually. You know. It's just like doesn't make due diligence sense when you're up against a partner that's hostile to you. That would be you, YouTube. You devalue our product's potential return with your ongoing insidious change in terms of agreement. In particular, the de-networking campaign that's ever ongoing and consumes so much of your energy belittling us instead of making us all more. But that's what you want, because you think you are going to bankrupt the company just like all the other CEOs, and you and your chums are going to get a big portion of it, even though it's, mostly NSA taxpayer funded by the Yanks. Tulutsky.